Hello, Reset here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to look on heart rate measurement on REALME 14T. So basically what you want to do is go up to the settings, scroll a little down, go to REALME laboratory, heart measurement, and just touch this. And we need to keep this for like 15 seconds. And we got our measurement, and we can add here what we was doing: exercises, resting, walking, or general, or excited, stressed, full of energy, sleepless. That'd be all. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to our channel, and bye.